This is the most deceptively simple yet incredibly delicious and incredibly impressive one-pan dinner that I make. This is whole roast chicken with root vegetables. When I'm on my game, I try to make this recipe once a week because it gives a good amount of leftovers and it's great to make bone broth out of the leftover bones. First, I peel and chop my root vegetables, about 4 potatoes, about 4 carrots, a whole onion that I cut into pretty big pieces, and then a handful of garlic cloves. Then I add my chicken to a large roasting pan. I usually try to buy a chicken that's about 4 pounds, and then I liberally sprinkle that with a combination of salt, pepper, and dried oregano. Make sure that you get that seasoning all over the chicken, inside and out, and then over the top of the chicken I pour a couple of tablespoons of melted butter, really to help with the browning and flavor, and then I stuff it with half of the onions and a couple of the cloves of garlic. The remaining vegetables I will sprinkle around the chicken, onions, garlic, carrots, and potatoes, salt those up, drizzle with olive oil, and then toss them. Stick everything in a preheated 425-degree oven for about 75 minutes or until the juices run clear and the temperature of all of the meat is 165 degrees Fahrenheit.